Alright, Saturday, November 30th. Yay. Puppies are asleep. It is raining. Hear the rain on the middle roof. It's coming down pretty good. Got that low pressure system just to the east of us and north. It's heading north. It'll start drying out tonight, and then just tomorrow. We should be dry by Monday. And Shona also, I don't know, it's like every payday she's got to find something new to spend money on. So she found it. What we refer to as Chololo's bedroom. Chona has.
Oh.
I'm just making video. Showing like now we technically have 5 air conditioners in the house. This tiny little closet of a room that barely fits a queen. This isn't even a queen size bed. Oh, a queen size bed wouldn't fit in here. So, exhaust kept it out. Showing her now her new little relaxation room. So she can be close to the action downstairs if need be.
Close for the food.
And close, yeah. Oh, hold on a second. They're plugs. Alright. I'll let you be. Barely get around the bed. If it was any bigger. Like what? The cushion is 48 by 75, which is a standard size, which is a standard large size. Here, it's 4 foot by 75 inches. Well, goes in shit. Anyway, just enjoying the rain. Nice. Load number 2 is done in 6 minutes. It's Saturday, so I pretty much have to hang it myself as I sit here and relax in my favorite spot. Alright. Yay. Hope everybody had a beautiful Thanksgiving a couple days ago. Even though by the time I post this, it'll be Christmas. I'm not trying to make content. I just record every once in a while and try to post at least once a week. So, alright. Take it easy. Yay. Alright, looking on the cameras, it was looking like maybe the area behind the pig pen is the water's up considerably. We're just making sure that the pigs are okay. And I got one banana leaf in my way. Where is it? That's that one. Wait a second. I had to pull down a banana leaf. It was in my way of the camera view this way. Careful. Okay, the water looked like it was, huh? The water looked like it was further up the bank. It's close. It's close, but it would have to still come up another good foot. And the brown guy kids having fun in the rain. All the trash from further upstream. At least it's not coming down in buckets anymore. Look, it's flooded all the way back that way now. You can't, no land. What time is Royal gonna go get the girls? Oh, okay. Does he already knows?
Yeah. I don't know about the state already.
What about him?
Maybe the water.
Look, it's getting a little close, but it's move what?
Can you make me umbrella here because I wait, I throw away the step.
Make you umbrella.
Can you hold the umbrella?
Oh, okay. Let me turn off my camera. All right. Royals. Ubai Ubai. The sign for turtle. So it's turtle. Got his new rack and mirrors and spare tire holder, everything. I think Shona said there was 15,000. So less than $300. By a little bit.
That's why I cannot drive the car. You don't have the money.
Oh, okay. We should buy a big push broom to easily push the mud better. Married to a Filipino hillbilly that's not afraid to get her feet dirty or wet. It's got its ubay in rain mode. Looking good. All he needs now is his OR and CR to show up. Probably another week. The vendor says it takes a month. Couldn't tell if there was any a little bit of water back there. Hello. That gets them giggling every time. The next time we're at Savers, we'll pick up a good push broom. Uh-huh. You gonna go with them to get the girls? I got a bug or something on my arm. Something's crawling up. The girls have been at the Daisano department store. Has an inside little kiddie ball pit park thing. Took them there last Saturday. They loved it. Took them there again today. They've been there for hours. That's impressively larger. They're there with Viana, the 2-year-old, their niece, and Luz, one of Chona's cousins, who just recently lost her job because the cantina that she worked at closed. Chona feeling sorry for her. Me feeling sorry for her. Hell, she was only making 5,000 pesos a month. And that's less than, less just a hair under $85 at today's peso rate. So we are going to be temporarily employing her for the same amount that she was getting paid at the cantina until she can find another job. Couldn't live on $85 a month. Oh my God. Someone's rice. Trying to get it dry between rain. Well, it's been raining all day, so it ain't getting dry today. And Shona's outside. First time showing the outside of it. It's always been raining lately. But now I'm outside with the camera. Alright. Go inside and dry my feet. Yay.